Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Valentine molds is probably one of the most exciting ways to create personalized gifts and decorations. Whether you're a seasoned resin artist or just starting out, these molds offer endless possibilities for crafting unique items. From heart-shaped pendants to custom coasters, you can design and create beautiful, heartfelt gifts that are perfect for Valentine's Day or any special occasion. Number 5. Let's Resin Photo Frame Molds. These large silicone molds are perfect for creating unique photo frames. You can easily record memorable moments with this product. It's a great choice for DIY home decor and handmade gifts. The heart-shaped mold is 5.2 by 7.4 inches, and the square mold is 7.2 by 7.2 inches. It requires about 8 ounces of resin for the heart shape. The size is suitable for most photos. Place your photos into the frame to cherish your memories. The finished frame can be displayed on a table or anywhere you like. This is a perfect gift for various occasions. Made with durable silicone, this mold is reusable and easy to clean. It produces a smooth, glossy finish, and the resulting photo frame will be highly transparent. Avoid using a heat gun or torch, as it may damage the mold. After stirring the epoxy resin, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to remove bubbles. Let's Resin is dedicated to providing innovative products and ideas for DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, you'll find inspiration here. What we like. This mold offers large-size photo frames, perfect for showcasing your favorite memories. It's also reusable and easy to clean, ensuring you can create multiple frames. If you are looking for a unique and personalized gift, this mold is an excellent choice for creating a memorable present. What people say. The molds are easy to use, I love the designs, the quality is very good, the size is worth it for the money. Shape was perfect. Love that you can make a stand for it as well. The resin came out very easy. It's easy to use. Number 4. NiArt 3D Heart Resin Molds. Unleash your creativity with this mold set. It's fun and easy to create decorative and functional items. You can make personalized pendants, home decor, and more. These molds are made of high-strength, non-sticky silicone. They are non-toxic, reusable, and safe for everyone. The set includes 5 different heart shapes. Add glitters, beads, or pigments to your resin. This allows you to create unique art pieces. It's compatible with various materials like clay and resin. The durable silicone won't break or deform easily. The ultra-smooth interior makes it easy to unmold your creations. No releasing agent is needed. Always follow safety precautions when working with resin. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. This ensures a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. What we like. This mold allows you to create stunning 3D heart-shaped resin art. It comes in various shapes and sizes, offering versatility in your projects. If you enjoy crafting unique decorations and gifts, this mold will help you create glossy, eye-catching pieces with ease. What people say. These molds are really sturdy and make beautiful resin hearts. Their size is great to creative multiple types of resin hearts. The sizes are perfect for my project. Number 3. Rose Bouquet Silicone Mold for Resin, Cake, and Craft. This silicone mold helps you create stunning rose-shaped decorations. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your crafts and baked goods. It's easy to use and will make your creation stand out. The mold is compatible with various materials like epoxy resin, fondant, and even soap. You can use it to make resin crafts, cake decorations, or unique gifts. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. The mold features a lovely rose bouquet design with long stems and blooming flowers. The delicate details will make your creations look professional. The design is ideal for decorating tables or adding a special touch to any occasion. Made from soft, flexible silicone, the mold is reusable and easy to demold. It's also non-stick and can withstand temperatures from -40 to 230 degrees Celsius. It's simple to use and clean, making your crafting experience enjoyable. Looking for a unique gift? This mold is perfect for special occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, or housewarming parties. Give the gift of creativity and help someone make something truly special. It's a thoughtful and unique present. The mold measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 centimeters and is made of high-quality silicone. It's designed to be durable and easy to use for all your crafting needs. This ensures your creations will be perfect every time. What we like. This mold features a lovely flower design, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your creations. It's compatible with various materials, expanding your creative possibilities. If you like to make cake decorations or unique gifts, this mold will help you create beautiful and delicate items. What people say. I use these for epoxy moldings for my paintings. I've used them time and time again and they come out wonderful each time. It's super easy to pull the mold out and the design is absolutely beautiful and flawless each time. It is a decent size for sure. The detail is amazing. It does exactly as described. It makes amazing projects. Product came out beautifully. Must thoroughly wipe every nook and cranny with Cristo and or dust with confectioner's sugar, then tap out the dust. Number 2. Valentine's Day Keychain Resin Mold Set. This set includes heart-shaped silicone molds and metal swivel lobster chains. You can design unique keychains with your favorite colors and decorations. It's a fun and creative way to celebrate Valentine's Day. The package contains 5 heart-shaped resin molds and 6 metal swivel lobster chains. This provides everything you need to create personalized pendants. Enjoy the process of making your own crafts. The molds feature different words, perfect for Valentine's Day. You can add colors, photos, and other elements to make them unique. Attach them to your keys or bags for a meaningful touch. The keychain pendant molds are made of durable silicone. The swivel lobster chains are made of sturdy metal. You can use them with ease and store them conveniently. These molds work with resin, clay, and other materials. You can create chocolates, soaps, and jewelry pendants. Give them as gifts for Valentine's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. Simply pour resin and decorations into the mold. Wait for it to cure, then twist the mold to release your creation. Attach the finished product to your belongings using the included chains. What we like. This set provides everything you need to create personalized keychains for Valentine's Day. The molds feature heart shapes and words, adding a festive touch to your crafts. If you are looking for a fun and easy DIY project to celebrate the holiday, this set is perfect for making meaningful gifts. What people say. These are good quality molds that are super cute for Valentine's Day themed keychains. I've been having fun making quite a few of these. I love it. It makes the coolest keychains. The sturdiness and thickness makes it easy to use. Number 1. Shiny Heart Silicone Resin Molds for DIY Crafts. These keychain molds are crafted from premium silicone. They are soft, flexible, and thick, ensuring they are tear-resistant and reusable. The glossy front side helps to reduce any imperfections. This mold is perfect for creating personalized keychains. You can also use it to make pendants for your bags, phones, or cars. It's also suitable for household decorations. Once the resin is fully cured, simply twist the mold to release your creation. Your piece will come out easily without sticking or tearing, while the mold retains its shape. The silicone keychain mold is smooth and clean. Just add resin and decorations, then push the other side. The resin will come out smoothly once it's cured. These resin casting molds are great for keychains and DIY jewelry. It's a perfect gift for your loved ones on Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, or Christmas. What we like. This mold is durable and reusable, ensuring you can create multiple keychains. It's perfect for making keychains, pendants, and other decorations. If you are looking for a simple and reliable mold for creating personalized gifts, this is an ideal choice. What people say. Makes great keychains. Good size. Easy to get out of the mold. Very durable, cute design. These molds were exactly what was represented on site. Very pleased. I loved this mold. Well made and easy to demold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.